cold. It is rainy. It's all dark and gloomy. And I desperately want to stay in bed with a little book. I love this weather so much, but it also makes me lazy. Good morning. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Full day of eating. You guys know the drill. Once a month, I gotta show y'all what I'm eating. I do these once a month and not more often because I'm usually recycling through the same foods. So it's only like once a month where I decide to like switch it up, try out new recipes, try out new stuff to see if I want to keep it in my rotation. Otherwise, girl, I'll be eating the same thing over and over. And also I ordered some meal prep containers. We don't really meal prep. I'll make a massive batch of food and then just kind of leave it in one container and then we like eat from it. But I want to get into prepping our meals and like separating them because Tron just, if it's like all in one spot, he'll like overeat. He eat too much of it. And I need to separate his food in smaller containers so there's enough for me. Because when I make beef and broccoli, I make a huge batch and he'll finish it in like 2 days. Figure out what am I. Alright, so for breakfast, I'm going back to oats. Okay, I'm going back to oats. I got the steel cut, the Better Oats, the 130 calories, whatever. I got those. Last night, I boiled some eggs, like a big old thing of eggs, berries, but I don't think I'm gonna eat the whole egg. I think I'm gonna just have one whole egg just to get that fat in there, and then I think I'm gonna have 2 egg whites. First, I'm gonna start with my bone broth. I'm gonna go with the French onion, Dr. Kellyann, little packets. To add in salt. I'm gonna top it off with some seasoning salt. And here we got the first meal of the day. Of course, you know, the bone broth, my oats, some fresh berries, and whole egg with 2 egg whites. Damn, they ain't playing. Amazon was like, you don't need a box, it comes in a box, as is. They just stuck the label on the side. But here is my 60-piece meal kit. Hey, look at those. Cute little pastel. Got it on Amazon for 30 bucks. Wait, hold on. My mic was facing the wrong way. So you have one that has like the single, then you have the double compartment, and then you have the triple. Bam, bam, bam. Microwave safe, dishwasher safe, freezer safe, BPA free materials. Of course, I would prefer to have glass containers, but I just needed something quick. And these are cute. And then also I needed a lot of them because it's for 2 people, you know, not just myself. Just the one, then we got the 2, and then the 3. So if I want to take some of your pre-workout, which one should I get?
You can take
the one all the way at the top? This one? Okay, I'll do this. Okay. All right. I've been out of the pre-workout game for a long time, okay? And then all his stuff is strong. All Tron stuff is super strong, so I have to call him to make sure. 3 flavors. What we got? Yuzu tea, gummy bear, and lychee. Not the tea. 200 milligrams of caffeine. How many scoops? 2 scoops. So maybe I'll just do 1 scoop of each. I hate this lens. Tron took his lens back. I don't like this one. I'm gonna order some shaker cups. We're a house full of fitness people and we have 2 shaker cups. It's good. I'm gonna get my bags and I'm gonna just drink this on the way to the gym. I am gonna take my camera, but it won't be for this video. It will be for the full week of workouts. So I will see you guys after the gym for lunch later. The spreadable smoked Gouda or some sharp cheddar? No cheese. Okay. All right, and here we have lunch, little sandwich wraps. Let me try it out. Perfect. I'm gonna have this. I'm gonna go edit the video, YouTube video that should have been up 20 minutes ago, but it's not. And I will be back for dinner. All right, it's time for the last meal of the day. And we're gonna have this taco bowl, but over potatoes. I'm gonna preheat the oven at 425 and then we're gonna get to making the potatoes first because that's gonna take about 30 minutes. And then while the potatoes going, I'll get the ground beef going and make the guac. Dinner done. Like anything you put on a taco, just put it over the potatoes. Having it with a diet Dr. Pepper, caffeine free. I already had the pre-workout today. I don't need no more caffeine. So, and then I think I'm gonna make Teron a funnel cake later. I might make myself like a mini one, like a little baby one. We'll see. Regardless, I'll film it. It's super easy. It takes like 5 minutes to make them. So, all right, I'll be back. Alright, I made Baby's funnel cake. This is what he wanted. I'll probably make myself like a smaller version. And that is gonna close out today's full day of eating. I will list everything down in the description box. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next video.